Claudia Maserin, and together with my brothers Maurizio and Gianfranco, we are owner of Maserin Coltellerie in Maniago, a well-known city for the production of knives all over the world. The company was founded by our father in 1960. He started his new adventure after experience a few years in the production of knives. He started in a very small garage, and after a few years he built a new company, and now we are here in Maniago in a bigger company that was built about 30 years ago. Producing knives has changed in the years thanks to the new technologies and new machines like CNC machines, laser machines. But we never forget the tradition of the past. In fact, all of our knives are made by using the CNC machines, but all the finishing like assembling, sharpening and checking are made by hand. For several years. We also have an auto-cage code, and it means that we supply several corps in the Italian army. Coltellerie is an international company. We attend international shows like SHOT Show, Evoa and Blade Show, where we are proud to show our Italian style to our products.